Did you know you can eat a lot without feeling guilty? Some foods are so low in calories, you can enjoy them guilt-free while still maintaining a healthy diet. In this video, we're sharing 20 delicious foods that contain almost 0 calories, so you can snack away without worrying about your waistline. 1. Cucumber. First up, cucumbers. With just 16 calories per cup, they're crunchy, hydrating, and perfect for snacking or tossing into salads. 2. Celery. At 6 calories per stalk, celery is your go-to snack for satisfying your crunch cravings while keeping calories in check. Pair it with a healthy dip, and you've got a snack that's both tasty and nutritious. 3. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile veggie with just 20 calories per cup. Grilled, baked, or spiralized, it's a great alternative to higher-calorie foods. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only packed with antioxidants, but only 22 calories per medium tomato. Add them to salads, soups, or enjoy them as a juicy snack. 5. Bell peppers. With just 24 calories per medium bell pepper, these colorful veggies bring both flavor and crunch to your meals. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a low-calorie powerhouse with only 7 calories per cup. It's packed with vitamins and minerals and perfect for salads, smoothies, or even as a warm side dish. 7. Watermelon. At just 30 calories per cup, watermelon is sweet, refreshing, and full of water, making it an excellent choice for hydration and a low-calorie treat. 8. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories and packed with umami flavor. With only 15 calories per cup, they're perfect for adding texture and flavor to a variety of dishes. 9. Asparagus. Just 27 calories per cup and loaded with nutrients. Asparagus is a great choice to add fiber, vitamins, and minerals to your meal. 10. Lettuce. Whether it's romaine, iceberg, or butter lettuce, it's all about those 5 calories per leaf. Lettuce is perfect for building low-calorie salads or wraps. 11. Broccoli. Broccoli has just 55 calories per cup, but is loaded with fiber and antioxidants to keep you feeling full and satisfied. A perfect side dish or snack. 12. Cabbage. Packed with fiber and only 22 calories per cup, cabbage is another great low-calorie vegetable to incorporate into your meals, whether raw in a slaw or cooked in a stir-fry. 13. Cauliflower. With just 25 calories per cup, cauliflower is the ultimate versatile veggie. You can use it as a rice substitute or even turn it into a pizza crust. 14. Strawberries. Only 49 calories per cup, and strawberries are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Add them to your breakfast, snack on them, or toss them in a salad. 15. Grapefruit. A half grapefruit has only 40 calories, and it's loaded with vitamin C and fiber. It's a great fruit to enjoy in the morning or as a refreshing snack. 16. Radishes. At only 18 calories per cup, radishes add a nice peppery crunch to salads or a quick snack option to curb your cravings. 17. Carrots. Carrots are another low-calorie snack with just 52 calories per cup. They're perfect for dipping or adding crunch to salads. 18. Green beans. Green beans only have 44 calories per cup and are packed with fiber, making them a perfect side dish or snack to fill you up without the calorie load. 19. Peppers, chili, and hot peppers. Hot peppers like jalapenos contain just 18 calories per pepper and can help boost metabolism, adding a spicy kick to your dishes. 20. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is another hydrating fruit with only 53 calories per cup. It's sweet, refreshing, and full of nutrients to keep you energized. There you have it, 20 delicious foods that are practically 0 calories and packed with nutrients. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more healthy tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments which one of these foods is your favorite. And if you want more ways to stay healthy and feel great, watch any of the 2 videos on your screen right now.